With breath under command, the mind turns inward for dhyana, meditation through visualization. Krishna guides Uddhava to envision a symbolic lotus in the heart chakra, anahata, initially facing downward like a bud, then blooming upward on a sturdy stalk with 8 vibrant petals representing the directions. In its center, place the sun, symbolizing knowledge, moon, cooling intuition, and fire, transformative energy, in sequence. At the heart of this fire, meditate on Krishna's transcendental form, the ultimate object of devotion, radiating beauty and auspiciousness. Let's paint this picture vividly, as Krishna describes, to make it come alive in your practice. Begin at his lotus feet, marked with divine symbols like the thunderbolt and conch, toes like blooming petals inviting surrender. Ascend to his ankles adorned with tinkling bells, calves shaped like elegant pillars, knees firm, yet graceful. His thighs are strong like elephant trunks, hips girdled with a golden belt. The abdomen is soft and threefold lined, navel a deep whirlpool from which the universe emerges. Rising higher, a broad chest bearing the Srivatsa curl of hair and the radiant Kaustubha gem, where goddess Lakshmi eternally resides. Around his neck, a garland of fresh forest flowers buzzed by bees, and a conch-like curve enhancing his charm. 4 arms extend to knee length, each holding the conch, panchajanya, discus, sudarshana, mace, kaumadaki, and lotus, symbols of creation, protection, destruction of evil, and purity. His shoulders are mighty like lions, arms bedecked with shining bracelets and armlets. The face, divine. Lotus eyes half closed in compassion, reddish like autumn blooms, glancing mercifully. Cheeks gleaming like polished emeralds, a nose perfectly aquiline, ears swinging makara-shaped earrings that sparkle like distant stars. A crown of peacock feathers and jewels atop curly black locks, and a subtle, enchanting smile that captivates the 3 worlds, revealing pearl-like teeth. Clad in pitambara, yellow silk that shimmers like lightning on a dark cloud, his form is youthful, eternally 16, exuding freshness. Focus sequentially. Start with the feet for humility, move upward, lingering on each feature with love. If the mind drifts to worldly thoughts, rein it in like a skilled charioteer taming wild horses. This isn't mere fantasy. It's bhakti-infused dhyana, invoking Krishna's actual presence, dissolving material attachments. Benefits? Enhanced concentration, emotional healing, and a sense of divine companionship. Modern parallels. Visualization techniques in sports psychology mirror this, boosting performance through mental imagery. Practice 15-20 minutes post-pranayama. Use a murti, idle, or picture initially for aid. As proficiency grows, the form stabilizes, leading to the pinnacle, deep concentration. Building on visualization, advance to deeper dharana, concentration, and samadhi, absorption. Spread your awareness evenly over Krishna's entire form, like sunlight bathing a landscape, then narrow it to one captivating aspect. His smiling face, eyes brimming with mercy, or the flute at his lips. Disregard the rest, immersing fully. Progressively withdraw. Merge the focused mind into akasha, ether element, the subtlest of gross elements, then release even that attachment. Ascend consciousness to Paramatma, the Supersoul, Krishna within the heart, thinking of nothing else. In this state, the yogi perceives the soul's unity with Krishna, like rivers flowing into the ocean or sun rays reuniting with the sun. Illusions of I and mine, false ego, possessiveness, and dualities dissolve completely. This is true samadhi, ecstatic trance where time vanishes and the cycle of birth-death ends. Krishna emphasizes gradual progression, force nothing. Daily practice, 20-30 minutes extending as bliss deepens. Challenges, mind-wandering, gently redirect without frustration. Rewards, profound peace, intuition sharpened, and liberation from karma. Echoing yogic texts like Patanjali's sutras, this aligns with Ashtanga Yoga's higher limbs. Now, as mastery unfolds, extraordinary abilities may manifest. Let's explore these mystic perfections without getting sidetracked by them.